This short presentation is one of a series about the knowledge transfer system I developed for Underdog Strategy. It's called the Worksheet system. Hello, I'm Paquette, and I'm a professor of political science at Lakehead University. I teach Underdog Strategy. That means, what do you do to get what you want when you have no power and no money? This presentation is about Worksheet 9, Core Idea. This is what Worksheet 9 looks like, except for the fact that several lines have been cut to make it fit this presentation format. In column 3, right of center, you can list metaphors, images, role models, and analogies. In column 4, core idea, to the extreme right, is where you list the core ideas. The bottom line provides space to develop different categories from what are listed here. This presentation has 6 sections. It includes uses, definitions, instructions, tips for simulations, and final checks. For Worksheet 9, there is one use. Worksheet 9 helps develop a core idea for a strategy. This presentation has 6 sections. It includes uses, definitions, instructions, tips for simulations, and final checks. For Worksheet 9, there is one definition. What is a core idea? A core idea is an imaginative idea unique to Underdog Strategy that makes it easy to grasp. Let's look at section 3, instructions for completing the worksheet. For Worksheet 9, there are 3 instructions. First, come up with other metaphors, or images, or role models, or analogies that fit this category. Second, write a sentence including that metaphor that refers to this situation. Third, list your own categories here, 1 per box. In section 4, we'll look at tips to help you complete the worksheet. For Worksheet 9, there are 3 tips. First, complete at least 5 or 6 lines in this worksheet. Second, put several metaphors in each box for column 3. And third, this box, column 4, should always have a full sentence. In section 5 of this presentation, we'll look at tips specifically for filling out worksheets for the simulation. For Worksheet 9, there are 2 tips for simulations. First, don't be afraid to come up with a better core idea than people in the real world. And second, make sure the core idea fits real world and simulation events. In section 6 of this presentation, we'll look at final checks to make when you've completed the worksheet. For Worksheet 9, there are 2 final checks. First, make sure the core idea refers specifically to the situation. And second, don't worry if some core ideas aren't very good. They always improve as you develop them. You can find sample worksheets completed for the role-play simulations and a large number of real-life situations in the open access ebook Teaching Political Science, published by De Gruyter in 2015.